Kahalayam Halabashi Shai Bashin Kakudash. What you see here is an aerial view of the Burning Man. And that's a idol burning, idol worship. Everything's about idol worship. Even this motorcycle here is an idol. Cities are idols. But this, let's find out what this is all about. Alright. Alright. Burning Man, well, if all these idiots are burning a piece of wood or whatever and making fires, and if you're one of those people that are all earthy, you're against Burning Man. Alright, so this man charged with sexual assault at Burning Man site 4 days prior to festival. A man was arrested on charges of sexual assault and the false imprisonment of an unidentified victim at the Burning Man site Thursday. So look at all this stuff. Black Rock City. And it's for a bunch of Edomites. Look, right here. Check this out. This is them. They believe that the experience of Burning Man can produce positive spiritual change in the world. You fucking idiots. You're just producing more carbon dioxide in the atmosphere by burning up fucking. Well, let me just stop saying that. Let me just do this. Oops. Let's just see if it tells us anything. Data now. Alright. There we go. There we go. Ooh, look at all told, Burning Man 2006 pumped out 27,492 tons of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases. Let's go to this. Let's go to this real quick. Look at that. That's hating the world right there. And this was published in 2014. Let's skip this. No, I just read it from there. Alright, so there. Let's see what else comes out. And then we're going to get some scriptures. Hmm. So they're burning up a bunch of wood. Let's use their terms. Saying, uh-oh, global warming. So it's just causing a negative impact. You can read those little things right there. Ozone is technically a greenhouse gas because it has an effect on global temperature. So you think these Burning Mans, if you believe in that, and I'm just using your own terminology against you, proving that this really is Babylon the Great. So that's wicked. You're just burning up all those pieces of wood, and you kill trees and make those pieces of wood just to burn them. See, that's going against the scripture. That's profane because the trees produce oxygen, and not only that, if those trees that you burned were alive, they would clean up all that greenhouse effect that you're bullshitting, saying that is going on. Ezekiel 21:4. Seeing then that I will cut off from thee the righteous and the wicked, therefore shall my sword go forth out of his sheath against all flesh from the south and from the north. So what's the sword? For the day is near, even the day of Yahweh Bashem Yahushai is near, a cloudy day. It shall be the time of the heathen. Verse 4. And the sword shall come upon Egypt, and great pain shall be in Ethiopia. Salakia. When the slain shall fall in Egypt, and they take away her multitude, and her foundation shall be broken. That's the sword of the clouds, chariots. Okay, this. So not only is Esau burning up trees and just cutting them down so he can burn them up, he's he's involved in sex trafficking, he's involved in pedophilia, he's involved in all kinds of monstrosities, blood sacrifices, idol worship. He's responsible for the Trinity doctrine. He's responsible for all kinds of bullshit, all kinds of transgressions. Isaiah 44:22, I have blotted out as a thick cloud thy transgressions, and as a cloud thy sins return unto me, for I have redeemed thee. Alright, let's see. Macha, cloud, never blotted out, as a thick cloud, redeemed thee. Ga'ala, let's see what redeemed means. Redeem, revenger. So somebody's going to revenge those trees. To redeem, act as a kinsman, redeemer, avenge, and revenge, ransom. To do the part of kinsman. Alright, let's just check out what cloud means. Because I can't go over there and tell you stop burning down those trees. Stop doing that. Darkness, cloud, thicket, dark cloud, cloud mass, thicket as refuge. Envelop darkness or density. Yeah, so it's going to engulf you, Esau. for all your transgressions. And this is part one. I'm going to do some more. Until the next one, say shalom.